So today we're gathering for the Governor's Small Business Disaster Fair and invited as many of our small businesses that could make it into Kerrville today to come find the resources that they may deem necessary to help rebuild and reconstruct their small business.
We have our businesses that have been directly affected, and then also the indirect effect that we're feeling just from lack of tourism or our residents and our community just having to focus their funding on other parts of their lives and not being able to put it back into our local restaurants, retail, hospitality.
The reliance we knew was going to be, initially at least, very much on the people in our community, and who we are as a community really showed through. So a lot of people are giving us credit, but we had a lot of help.
It was amazing. The Red Cross, the Salvation Army, everybody just pitched in. It was just amazing, the support and love that came from our community.
Success today would help some of these small businesses find pathways to resources and funds and dollars to help either restore, rebuild, and buy inventories and help out with some of the cash flow that they've lost during the time of the disaster. What we've noticed since the disaster is the rapid recovery process and the pace in which Kirk County and its citizens have decided to take in disaster recovery. And we have been very blessed from the Office of the Governor and from FEMA to be able to provide resources to get the debris removal out very swiftly so that these individuals can go back and rebuild their homes. And then we can now start to focus on rebuilding our business community and reestablishing our economic development in Kirk County.
If there's one thing that we've learned from this tragedy is that this community has really come together, neighbor helping neighbor, and we see that that is what is going to continue in our community for our resiliency and for our community to come back better than it was before.